Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're gonna have some fun. We're stuck in the house quarantining, so we're gonna quarantine and slay because what else do we have time to do? Okay, so I saw this new TikTok challenge where you're going to put a number on all of the colors on the palette, pick 3 out of a bag, and you have to create a look with those colors. So I'm going to incorporate my daughters, let them pick a number, and I'm going to pick one, and that's the look that we're going to have to create. So if you guys are interested in seeing how this look comes out and seeing how this challenge pans out, then please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Continue to watch because it's about to get fun, y'all. Bye. Alright beauty, so I'm going to show you the TikTok so you can see which numbers were created. So now I'm going to show you the TikTok so you can see what numbers were chosen, and I'll show you the palette and show you which ones were chosen as well. But here is the TikTok. Let's see if you can see that.
A challenge for all the makeup artists. Pick your favorite palette, count how many shades, there's 35 in this one. Put each number on a sheet of paper, put them in a bag, check them out. Now pick 3 numbers.
So make sure you're following my TikTok so you can see the actual TikTok. It is Beauty by Yolanda at the number 8. Beauty by Yolanda 8. But the colors that were chosen are this one, and this blue. So we're about to get started, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and put on my P. Louise base. My work area is a hot mess right now, so everything's everywhere. But we're about to get through this, okay? Period. The colors I got were not that hard. I'm not mad because I'm about to create something really pretty with this. Alright y'all, that is nice and blended. Alright beauty, so we're going to start off with the brown colors first. So this is probably the color that's closest to a transitional color for me. So we're going to use that and just tap that around. I'm going to blend this out. Let's blend this a little bit more on the outer V and bring that in. Alright, this is so fun guys. I don't know, I'm having fun. Second color is this one right here. And we're going to just tap that into the outer V, tap it around. Back into this color here and just blend out the edges. Okay, now we're going to get the P. Louise base and we're going to cut the crease on the front. And we're going to cut it just like this. Alright y'all, this is looking good. I'm really happy with how this is coming out so far. Now we're going to get this brush to pat it out, the one that we used before. I can find it in all my junk. And just make sure that that is blended. Now we're going to go ahead and add the blue. It's this blue here. It's beautiful blue. And I'm going to add that with the flat brush, just like this. First I'm going to tap it onto the center and then we'll get closer in just a bit. Alright you guys, so far this looks really pretty. Now we're going to go ahead and go back into the blending brush and blend in the ends. So we're going to go back into the reddish brown color blend that on the side. Now I'm going to add just a little glitter around the rim at the top. The two glitters we're going to use are these blue glitters. Alright you guys, so we're going to go ahead and do a wing liner, thinking I'm going to use this e.l.f. Lock and Seal. It's a cream base. It can be used as a liner, brows, whatever you want to use it for. So I'm using this thin brush here to create the liner. Then we're going to go into our ColourPop Cosmetics pencils. And we're going to go into this teal color and put that into the waterline. This color here, just blend right underneath. Bring it down. This color here, this reddish color, and just blend out this end here. This is what we're looking like. Now let's go ahead and do the brows. Comb that up. And we're going to go ahead and line them. We're going to do these a little bushy today. So now we're going to go ahead and go back into this color here, which is more like the transitional shade, and we're going to blend that right underneath the brow from the front to the back. Okay, so I'm blending this away. Now it's time to add the lashes, y'all. So first let's put on our mascara. I'm going into my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. So I'm going to go in with my A Misbehave lashes, and we're going to go into the style Taraji. And I'm going to go into this black duo glue. Now it's time to add some blush. We're going to go into the e.l.f. Always Rosy. And we're going to highlight, going in with the Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter. I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette. There's this blue highlight in here called Orion. We're going to use that. Putting that right at the front. I'm going to go in with Gumbo from the Crayon Case. I'm going to put that as a liner. Then we want to go ahead and add a nude color to the inner part. So this is Marie from the crayon case. Now I'm going to add the e.l.f. Cosmetics Natural Gloss. Blend in these sides with again. Alright. This is good, y'all. I'm going to go into Beauty Bakery Sweet Grace. Alright, y'all. This is looking good. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Just having a little fun with TikTok and trying something different. So I had to try to make a look with 3 random numbers that were picked out of a little bag. My daughters picked one and I picked one. And this is the look that we created. I think it is so beautiful. The only difference I added was a little glitter. But other than that, it's literally the 3 colors and that's it. And I'm kind of here for it, y'all. I'm kind of here for it. You guys let me know if you are feeling this look. I probably wouldn't have used these colors, just these 3 colors alone, had I not tried this challenge. So it's something fun to do, to just try something different and create something you probably wouldn't normally create because of the fact that you don't really attract to the specific colors that were chosen. But this is really beautiful. I would definitely rock this look outside. This is a look, hunty. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this fun TikTok. Let me know if you guys wanted me to do more fun things like this while we are quarantined and slaying, okay? Don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. Bye.
Challenge for all the makeup artists. Pick your favorite palette, count how many shades, there's 35 in this one. Put each number on a sheet of paper, put them in a bag, shake them out. Now pick 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. Create a look with the numbers you were given. This is the look I created, now it's your turn.